Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review used Honda CRV 2017 Gen 4. This Honda has 1.6 diesel engine, all-wheel drive, automatic gearbox ZF 9-speed and package lifestyle navigation. Please watch whole video so you don't miss any important part. I bought this Honda when it was 4 years old and has about 82,000 miles or 132,000 kilometers. This Honda is very well equipped. It has voice control and navigation, safety packages, Bluetooth, wheel controls, F1 changing pedals behind the wheel, dual climate control, LED lights, automatic braking, reverse camera, leather and Alcantara package. I put on it General Grabber 83 tires in stock dimensions. If you are interested in those General Grabber 83 tires, I made a separate review video on my channel of it. This Honda never had car accident. It has beautiful black pearl color. My CRV is very spacious. It's a perfect family car for long driving and for daily city ride. Here you can see LED matrix projector lights with automatic long and short beam and automatic turning right or left beam. Here behind the glass you can see cameras which are monitoring road and giving board computer needed information. It has beautiful stock aluminum roof racks, shark radio antenna. When it comes to trunk space, it is very spacious. It has enough space to put all your luggage for whole family. This is very convenient trunk cover. It's easy to put, jackets on it and cargo beneath it. When we are talking about rear seat space, it has plenty of leg room. It is so big inside. It's even bigger than my Mercedes GLE, which is bigger car than this Honda CRV. Here you can see Alcantara leather and real leather combination seats. It has armrest with convenient cup holders. Very practical. On the driver's side, this Honda had all 4 power windows, power mirrors and mirrors adjustment buttons. It has powered lower back button, but other levers are only mechanical for adjusting seat. Interior is very nice and very well built. Build quality is very solid. Here is economy button, parking sensor buttons and low range button. It has various buttons and controls on steering wheel. Here it has big screen, automatic climate control and transmission lever. It has start-stop button and heated front seats. Everything inside of the car is very well made and it works perfectly. This part is very large and it has USB connection sockets and other power outlets. Glove box is pretty solid and it's large enough for everything that you need. Dashboard is made of hard plastic, but it's very solid. It is not resistant to scratches and the scratches are only problem of it. Above of the mirror, it's a very convenient place to store, sunglasses. has additional mirror for watching your kids from behind. Now let's start it. Engine is not loud in the cabin, it runs pretty smoothly. My Honda has about 100,000 miles, which is approximately 165,000 kilometers. Average fuel economy is about 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. I usually drive 80% in town and 20% on the highway. Now let's look under the bonnet. When I just bought this car, I had a problem with losing coolant, but nowhere that coolant is visible to leak. So I took it to dealer and inspection showed that this problem in cylinder head. Honda replaced me cylinder head for free under the warranty. Here you can see new shiny aluminum cylinder head. I also changed radiator, but I need to pay that. That is approximately $500. Other major issue with this Honda was reducer, the part of gearbox for low range. I start to experience knocking sound when going to reverse, and Honda inspected that and said there is a problem in O-ring on that reducer. So Honda provided me with whole new transmission and reducer under the warranty. Now let's take this baby for a ride. I'm very pleased with this Honda drive quality. It drives very smoothly. Braking is excellent and you can feel very safe in this car. Automatic collision program works smoothly and it stops car if you forget to brake. All-wheel drive is very helpful and it helps a lot on rain, on slippery inclines, even on snow and ice. Here you can see when I was driving it in snowy mountain. With those General Grabber 83 tires, it's literally unstoppable in shallow snow, deep snow and even on ice. When talking about comfort, this car is very comfortable and you can feel like you're driving a limousine. When I was buying it, I was considering buying Toyota RAV4, Subaru Forester, Mitsubishi Outlander and this CRV. And finally I choose this one. I think this is very good mid-size SUV, perfect for family of 5 members. You can go everywhere on highway, off-road, in city. It's not too large, great for parking, just perfect family car. When you put aside those problems that I experienced, there is no other major issues with this car. Everything runs perfectly. It is very safe, it has full airbag package and all kind of safety features like automatic collision braking, lane control, cruise control and things like that. This is very good car on used car market. Its value is little lower than, I don't know, Toyota after few years, but it's very great buy for you. It's crucially to check all history of the vehicle, all services, and of course inspect all parts of the cars to see if it has any hidden flaws. Overall, this Honda is very well made. It's a very great and practical family car, and if you are considering to buy, go for it. You can buy 4-year-old car for half of price when it was new. Leave your impressions and suggestions in a comment below. I hope that you enjoy watching this video, so please like it, subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching and watch my other videos. Bye bye.